In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the freezing and crashing in Once Human. Now first what we can try is open up our task manager down here. Look for anything that's using too much, like you can sort by memory and see my Google Chrome is using way too much. So I can close that one down and see if this works. Now do this for your CPU, memory, and also your GPU, and also network if you're installing something. Now second thing we can try is come over to Steam, right click on Once Human, Properties, and from in here go to Install Files. Now simply click Verify Integrity of Game Files, and this will check if it's installed correctly. Now another thing we can try is right click here, Properties, go back to Installed Files, press Browse, and from in here you're gonna come to your Once Human folder and find the .exe. Now what you want to do is right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and make sure both of these are selected. Now simply press Apply and OK, and this can also help fix it. Now another thing we want to try is come down here and search for Windows Update and make sure you have the latest update. If you're missing an update, this can make your game lag, so make sure you're up to date. Now the last thing we want to try is simply uninstall Once Human, and you can do that here by doing Manage and then Uninstall. Then reinstall it after and see if this fixes your issue. Now those are the ways that you can potentially fix the Once Human, and that's about it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.